the world responds to the communication that it receives about you. So when you get your phone, you go on your laptop and you're publishing an article, at that very moment, that is what the world is receiving about you. And that is what they will respond to. For example, I have had the privilege of getting clients who come and pay me for a service because of an article that they read. There are many of you who are in this live mentorship right now because you read an article, and in the article, I advertised that I'll be holding this program. And because of the article that you read, you felt that you could trust me to teach you something. That was you responding to what I sent out. And you must be conscious of that. See, I was talking to a young man and I said, look, you have to stop treating social media as entertainment. That is the challenge I have with many young Africans. Social media is not for entertainment. That is not for you. That is for the masses. That is for people who are in the average class, the middle class, and the poverty class. If you keep seeing social media as an entertainment platform where you relieve your stress, you're thinking like the masses, that is not you. As somebody who is a culture shaper, a thought leader, an industry professional who wants to be a major contributor, you need to see social media as an amplifier. That's the right word. The amplifier of your credibility, the amplifier of your contributions to the world, to the society, and to your industry.